Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be starting the new chapter of Standard 8 Maths and that is Statistics. My dear students, in previous classes you have learned about average and we know how to find the average. So please look at the board. I will take one example of average that is as for previous knowledge and then we will see how to find the arithmetic mean, or it is you can look at over here arithmetic mean or mean. Okay, so what is arithmetic mean and mean? It is nothing but average only. Okay, just look at the board here. Chapter number 11 statistics. First we will see what is average. Okay, one question is given over there. The number of pages of a book Ninad read for 5 consecutive days were 60, 50, 54, 46, 50. Okay, find the average number of pages he read every day. Okay, he read every day. Now we came to know that we have to find the average. In question it is clearly said we have to find average. So we will use average formula. And what is average formula? Average is equals to sum, means addition of all the given scores. Okay, how many numbers are given in the question? We will do sum. Sum means addition. So average is equals to sum, addition of all the given scores upon total number of scores. Okay, look at here. So this is average formula, sum of all scores upon total number of scores. So sum of all scores means which scores are given in the question? 60, 50, 54, 46, 50. Write down 60. Sum means addition. 60 plus 50 plus 54 plus 46 plus 50. Okay, upon total number of scores. How many scores? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of scores is how many? 5. So now we will do the addition of this. Is it clear? We will do the addition of all this. 0 and 6, 6, 6 and 4, 10, 10 and 0, 0, 10, 10 and 0, 10. So 10 means 0 and carry 1. 6 and 4, 10, 10 and 5, 15, 15 and 5, 20, 20 and 6, 26 upon 5. Okay, so 260 upon 5, 260 sum of all the given scores. In 5 numbers ka score and sum of the score, and 5 total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will now divide it. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Right, 1 left. So 5 2s are 10. So what is the average? 52. See, therefore average of number of pages read daily is 52. So this is how we have to find, we know how to find the average. So therefore the average is also known as arithmetic mean or mean. Average is only known as arithmetic mean or mean. I hope you understood. Average का ही दूसरा नाम है arithmetic mean, और arithmetic mean you can say mean only. Is it clear? So this was the previous knowledge average, how to find. Average formula you should learn. Average is equals to sum of all scores upon total number of scores. यानी जो भी नंबर दिए हैं उन सब का एडिशन करो upon कितने नंबर है काउंटेड 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 and divide it. So whatever the answer will come, that is your average. And average is only known as an arithmetic mean or sirf mean. So now we will see arithmetic mean or mean. How to solve, how to get the answer. If in question it is said find arithmetic mean, if in question paper it will come find arithmetic mean, so what you have to do? Just please look at the board. Question will come. The question is the marks obtained by 37 students of standard 8 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean. See, it is clearly said find the mean. If it is said find the average, we will use this formula. If in question it is said find the mean, so we will use this method. Is it clear? Look at the board, understand. Find the mean. Question will come. Now you can see there are so many numbers. Okay, marks obtained by the students. 37 number of students. Total number of students 37. Okay, so what you will do? You will draw this table with 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Always you will draw 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and see in first column the heading will be marks or scores. यहाँ पे जो होगा marks है तो marks, scores है तो scores. Second column always will be tally marks only. Second column में हमेशा tally marks ही लिखना है. Third column, what is this marks or scores is all about whose number of students, frequency, that is FI. See, marks, scores, XI, tally marks, number of students, frequency, FI. At last you will multiply the first column and the third column, that is Fi multiplied by Xi. Is it clear? So to find mean, what you will do, you will draw a table. In that table there should be 4 columns, vertically 4 columns, okay, and the heading will be, first heading always will be marks or scores जो होगा क्वेश्चन में हो, that is denoted by XI, scores XI. Second column always tally marks, okay, हमेशा tally marks ही लिखना है. Third column number of students या number of whatever is given in the question, frequency Fi, and fourth column always Fi multiplied by Xi. It means third column multiplied by first column always, okay. So see how you will arrange these numbers in ascending order. It means first we have to choose the smallest number. सबसे पहले आपको छोटा नंबर चूज करना है. Smallest number, that is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. So you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Is it clear? First छोटा, फिर उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा. Always do the same method. पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर लिखो, फिर उससे बड़ा. Okay? Ascending order. Go ascending order. Tally marks. Tally marks means this 2 comes in this question how many times? 2 comes 1. So 1 time. Now 3 comes how many times? 1 time. 4 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And this is 5. So 1. So how you read 5 here? Look at the board. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 you should write like this only. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is not 5. This is wrong. Okay? So how you will write 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 and from this left to right. Is it clear? Okay, so like this you will arrange the numbers, then you will see that particular number comes how many times, कितने बार आया है. 6 कितने बार आया है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is tally marks. Then you will write the number of frequency, means tally marks only you will write in international number. See, 1 means 1, 1 means 1. This is 5 means 5. This is 2 means 2. This is 5 means 5. This is 6 means 6. Okay? It means first column you will write scores in ascending order. छोटा फिर बड़ा बड़ा. Tally marks you will write that numbers, that scores comes how many times. कितने बार आया है? 2 1 time, 3 1 time, 4 5 times, 5 2 times. Okay? Like this you will count and you will write the tally marks. In third column you will write that tally marks in international numbers. That is 1 means 1, 1 means 1. This is 5, 5, 2 means 2, 5, 5, 6 means 6, 5 means 5, 8, 8, 4, 4. Okay? And at last fourth column you have to multiply the third column and the first column. Okay? See, 2 1s are 2 or 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 5 4s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 6s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 5 8s are 40, 8 9s are 72, 4 10s are 40. Okay? But third column below you will write total number of students. How many total number of students? It will be given to you in the question. So use your mind. Total number of students or total number of things will be given in question. You will write that total number of students 37. Then FI you will do the addition of this answer 2 plus 3 plus 20 plus 10 plus 30 42 40 72 40. We will do the addition. हम इसका addition करेंगे. That is sigma. This is sigma. What we read it? Sigma Fi multiplied by Xi upon capital N. Capital N means what? Number of frequency. Total number of frequency. Is it clear? So this is read as sigma. See, sigma fi multiply by xi means total addition of the answer. जो आंसर आए हैं add them, उनको ऐड करना है, आंसर्स को ऐड करना है. आंसर will come 259 and this is the formula to find the mean. Means after drawing this table, after filling this table, we have to write this formula, that is mean. Mean is equals to sigma. What you will read? Mean is equal to sigma fi multiplied by xi upon capital N, means total number of frequency. See here, 259, the answer of fi xi, addition of this answer 259 upon total number of students 37, then you will divide it, the answer will come 7. So mean of this answer is 7. What is the meaning of mean? Mean means average. Is it clear? Or arithmetic mean or mean. Is it clear? I hope you understood how to solve the arithmetic mean or how to find the mean. So now dear students, we will start the practice set 11.1 and it is very much easy. Just please look at the board. The question number 1 of practice set 11.1 is an activity. It means it is very much important. So please practice it very nicely. See, the following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Number of students 30. Remember I told you the total number of frequencies is always given in the question. So number of students 30. Okay, fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Okay, here it word comes average, but the formula use mean. It means what? Average means mean only. Is it clear? Now see, look at here. Number here 3 columns given, and you will say that sir, you said 4 columns will be there. Yes, but here tally marks column is not there. It is ignored because it is an activity. Okay, it is directly given. See, number of sapling scores xi, number of students frequency fi, and it is given 1. How many times came? 4 times. 2 कितने बार आया? 6. 3 how many times? 12. 4 how many times? 8. Okay, means tally marks column is not given. No problem. We will solve what is given. See, fi xi. What does this mean? Fi xi means fi will multiply to xi. See, 4 ones are 4. Now you will tell me what will come here. Fi xi 6 multiplied by 2. It is 6 2s are 12. Is it clear? Now here 12 multiplied by 3. 12 3s are how much? 12 ones are 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. So 12 3s are 36. Is it clear? Now this 8 will multiply to 4 because it is fi multiplied by xi. 8 4s are how much? 32. 8 4s are 32. Now tell me what is n? Total number of students. It is given over here. Total number of saplings present. Okay. Total number of sapling frequency you can say over here. How much? 4, 6, 10, 10 and 12, 22, 22 and 8, 30. So it is already given in the question. Is it clear? So n is equals to the total number. So how much? 30. It is given in the question. Use your brain. Now here sigma fi multiplied by xi, it means you will add these. You will add this 4 and 12 and 36 and 32. Okay, add 4, 12, 36, 32. You will add 4 and 2 6, 6, 6, 12, 12 and 2 14, carry 1 here, 1 and 3 4, 4 and 3 7, 7 and 1 8, 84. So you will write here 84. Is it clear? Here total number of students 30. Okay, and here fi xi, sigma fi xi means what? Addition of all the answers here. 4 ones are 4, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 8 4s are 32. So all these answers addition you will write here. Is it clear? Now mean x bar, this is bar, this is read as mean x bar. Okay, so what is the formula of mean? Just now I have taught you. What is the formula of mean? Is equals to sigma fi xi. Sigma, you will write here sigma fi multiplied by xi. This is your answer. Okay, sigma fi multiplied by xi upon total number of frequency, that is capital N. Learn this. Mean is equals to sigma fi multiplied by xi upon capital N, that is total number of frequency. Now here answers you will write. Sigma fi xi value is how much? 84. 84, and total number of frequency how much? 30. Okay, so you will use there a table, you will divide it. So answer will, what the answer will come? See here, I will use 31 the 30, 32 the 60, right? 31 the 30, 32 the 60. How much left? 70, 80 and okay 24. 24 left. In 30 times table 24 came? No. So what you will do? You will increase 1 0 right here. See, you will increase 1 0. You will increase here 1 0. So decimal point will come, right? So how much it is? 240 left, right? 240? Yes or no? So it is 240. 30, 8s are 8 zeros are 0, 8 3s are 24. So 38s are 240. Is it clear? So answer is what? 2.8. I hope you understood here. See, 30 times table I will read. 31s are 30, 32s are 60. So 70, 80 and 4 means 24 left. 30 times table 24 comes? No. 34 in 30 tables 24 cannot come because divisor is greater than the dividend. So you will increase this 0. If you will increase the 0, then you will put decimal point. Now it is 240. So 38s are 240. So answer will come 2.8. So the average number of tree planted is 2.8. I hope you understood how to solve the activity. That you will multiply here fi xi. 4 1s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 8 4s are 32. Here you will write the addition. Here also you will write the addition of all the answers. सारे answer का addition. This is the formula. Mean is equals to sigma fi multiplied by xi upon capital N. Then you will write fi xi value and capital N value, and then you will divide it. Is it clear? So this is called as a mean. So my dear students, now after question number 1, we will see question number 2 will be homework to you, okay, because it is exactly like question number 1. It is an activity, you have to solve, everything is given, you have to put the value, you have to do multiplication. Fi xi means fi column will multiply to xi, you will multiply, you will write, you will do the addition of the answer below, and then you will use mean formula, that is mean is equals to, what is mean? Mean is equals to sigma fi multiplied by xi upon capital N. Okay, and then you will solve the things. It is very much easy. Question number 2 will be homework to you. Now see question number 3. The number of members in the 40 families. See, it is given 40 means n value is given already. It is clear, n value is given, and then here we have to write sigma fi xi, right? Sigma fi xi. Now see, families in Bhilar are as follows. See, the numbers are given. What we have to do? Prepare a frequency table. We have to prepare a table. I have said we have to draw 4 vertical columns, and first column will be having scores or number of members or scores, and in first column you will write the number according to ascending order, means सबसे छोटा पहले उससे बड़ा greater. Okay, see, the smallest number is 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, till 7 only. Is it clear? It means we have to see which is the smallest number and which is the biggest number. Then we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So smallest, then little biggest. Is it clear? We have to arrange according to ascending order. Tally marks means this one comes how many times? You will count 1, 2, 2. 1 comes twice. So tally marks like this 2. Okay. Now 2 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from left to right like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it clear? 3 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 comes 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear? Now 4 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it clear? 8 times. You will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it clear? Now count 5 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear? It is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you will count 6 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 comes how many times? Write it down. 7 comes how many times? 1, 2, only 2 times. 1 and 2. Now this is tally marks. Done. Now number of families means this tally marks we will write in international number. 2 means 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 2. Okay. So this is how 4 columns will be there. First column you will write these number in ascending order. The smallest number and the biggest number you will write in the ascending order. Then tally marks, 1 comes how many times, 2 comes how many times in tally marks. Tally marks you will write in international numbers, and then FI XI means 2 ones are 2, like 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. 8 twos are 16, okay, like this. 7 threes are 21. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. 7 fives are 35. And here 6 sixes are 36. And 7 twos are, yeah, 2 sevens are 14. Okay, now count it. 2 and 8, 10. 10 and 7, 17. 17 and 8, how much? 25. 25 and 7, 32. 32 and 6, 38. 38 and 2, 40. Yes, it is 40. Can you see here? It is 40. It means your answer is right. Okay, now you will add this. You will add these. 2. Okay, you will add this. 2 and 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 16 and 6, 22, 22 and 4, how much? 26. 2 carry, 2 and 1, here 2 you will carry, right? 1 and 3, 3 and 3, 6, 6, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, 156. Is it clear? So now what is mean formula? Sigma Fi Xi, the total addition of this, iski total addition, that is 156 upon n. N is how much? 40. Now you will divide it. Okay, you will divide it. So how you will divide? 40 ones are 40. Okay, or you can divide by 2 also, no problem. 40 ones are 40, 42s are 80, 43s are 120, 43s are 120. So 156 minus 120, how much? 36. So you will write 36. But in 40 times table 36 comes? No. 36 is smaller than 40. So you will increase 1 0. So you will give your decimal point, right? Now you will multiply. See here, 40. 40 will multiply to 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 fours are 36. Is it clear? So we will divide this. 49s are 360. So answer will come 3.9. So therefore the mean of members per family is 3.9. I hope you understood the question how to solve. Okay, prepare frequency table means we will prepare a table with 4 columns. First column number of scores, that we will arrange smallest to the biggest, छोटे से बड़ा. Tally marks, count it how many times the number comes. 1 कितने बार, 2 कितने बार, right? Then write this tally marks in the international. 2 means 2, 8 means 8, 7 means 7. Then multiply Fi Xi. 2 ones are 2, 8 twos are 16, 7 threes are 21, 8 fours are 32. Addition of this 40, addition of this 156. Mean formula sigma Fi Xi upon capital N is equals to 156 upon 40. Answer will come 3.9. So the mean of member per family is 3.9. I hope you understood here. Question number 4. Question number 4 is reduced from your syllabus. Okay, so don't write it. I hope you will do the question number 2 homework. It is very much easy. So best of luck and thank you so much, my dear students.